Hi guys, ako nga pala si Kip. And today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-apply ang chain rule sa problem. So, ang una po is, hanapin mo, ay yung formula po muna ng chain rule. Which is n times u raised to n minus 1 times the derivative of u. So, may problem po tayo dito. So, find the derivative of x cubed plus 5 raised to 3. So, yung po natin is yung sa loob po dito ng parenthesis, which is x cubed plus 5. Yan po yung ano natin, u. Okay, so gamitin na po natin yung chain rule, which is will be equals to the derivative of the derivative of x cubed plus 5 raised to 3 is equal to 3 close parenthesis x cubed plus 5 raised to 3 minus 1. Binabala po natin yung 5 na yun dito, which makita nyo rin naman po sa formula. And yung derivative ng u. So, hanapin po natin yung derivative ng u. The derivative of u is equals to, babala natin to, gagamitan natin ang power rule. So, 3x, tapos 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. And yung 5 po is constant, so 3x squared po. 3x squared is the derivative of u. So, lagay na lang po natin dito. It's equals to 3x squared. And continue po natin, isolve na po natin. So, kung makita niyo po, yung ito po is may parenthesis po siya, saka may naka-raise po siya sa 3 minus 1. So, hindi po natin siya pinimultiply. So, ang gagawin na lang po muna natin is multiply po muna natin yung derivative ng u, which is 3x squared sa 3. So, magiging 9x squared. Tapos po is papila po natin to, which is 3x cubed plus 5 raised to 3 minus 1 will be equal to 2. So, makita nyo po, mayroon pa rin siyang naka-raise sa 2. So, hindi po natin sila pwedeng i-combine dahil po may naka-raise. So, ito na pa ang sagot natin. And that's all. Thank you po sa panonood, and I hope po may natutunan kayo. And that's all. Thank you.